Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy BigPFS, and in this video I want to quickly share with you market structure. Whether you're a forex trader, crypto or stock trader, understanding market structure is key because it will help you make a smart trading decision. So sorry guys, I have been away for a while. I've been working in the background to make sure that I give you guys the best. Now I'm back and I'm fully back. So guys, I'm here to give you guys non-stop educational content right on this channel. So make sure you smash the subscribe button and like this video for more tips, okay? So guys, let's dive into the chart and let me show you what I have for you today, okay?
So guys, basically market structure is the trending direction of the market, and we have three different directional trend of the market that we're going to talk about in this video. So understanding market structure is key to your trading success, because if you don't know the direction of the market, you are going to be lost and you'll be making errors in your trading. But having this knowledge of market structure will guide you to trade in the right direction, because when you trade with the trend, the market is more likely to go in your favor. Okay, so guys, make sure you watch this video to the end because I have a whole lot of things to share with you guys. Okay, so like I said, we have three directional trend of the market, okay? Or we have three directional phase of the market that I'm going to talk about in this video. The number one is the uptrend, okay? Number two, we have the downtrend. Number three, we have the range, okay? So these are three directional phases that the market usually move. If you have been trading for a while, you might have come across this kind of move in the market. So I'm going to be explaining them to you one after the other, okay? So the number one directional phase of the market that we have is called uptrend. Okay. So usually when the market is moving in an upward fashion like this, so how do we know that a market is in an uptrend? Or what are the characteristics of an uptrend market? So basically, if a market is moving in an uptrend, it makes a series of higher highs and higher lows. Okay? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows. So this is a characteristic of an uptrend market. So all you're going to be doing as a trader is to look for buy opportunities only. Okay. So by the time you look for buy opportunity in the market, and you buy in direction of the trend of an uptrend, you're going to make more profit, or the market is going to go more in your direction. So that is what it means. So the other one that we have is downtrend. So downtrend is usually whenever the market is moving in a downward fashion, then we can say that the market is trending to the downside. Let me illustrate that to you as well. So let's say, for instance, you open your chart and you see that the market begins to move in a downward fashion like this. Then we can say that the market is trending to the downside. So don't worry, guys. I'll go to the chart and show you examples, real examples of what I'm talking about. For now, I'm just trying to illustrate to you how to spot an uptrend and also how to spot a downtrend in the market. So this is an example of a downtrend here. Look at it. This is an example of a downtrend. Whenever the market is making a series of lower lows and lower highs, then we can say that this market is clearly trading in a downward fashion, and this is a characteristic of a downtrend. So what are we going to be doing as a trader? All we are going to be doing as a trader is to look for an opportunity to sell, okay, in direction of the trend, because that is where the big players are trading in. That is the direction the big players are trading. When I mean big players, I'm not talking about traders like me and you. I'm talking about institutions, those that have money to move the market, those that trade with billions of dollars. Okay, so these are the type of people that move the market, and these are the kind of people you want to trade with. You trade in the direction that they are trading in. So if you try to trade against them, then you are most likely to lose. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why most traders lose, because they don't really know the direction of the market and they're just lost. Okay, but having the solid understanding of market structure, you are going to, begin to trade with the trend and you begin to make consistent profit for yourself, okay? So the number three directional phase of the market we are going to talk about here is range, okay? So what do I mean by the range? When the market is ranging, it is usually move from one point to another. Okay, it is an order like this. So this is a clear characteristic of a range. So usually traders look for opportunity at the top. Okay, they look for opportunity at the top to sell, and some look for opportunity at the down here to buy. Okay, so guys, as we proceed later in the future, I'm going to be giving you guys a whole lot of strategy on how you can trade using following the trend and how you can also trade with the range. Okay, so I have a whole lot of package for you guys, like I say. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, comment and share, so that when I post another video, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, so guys, so basically this is all about range market. So usually traders take advantage to sell at the top and buy at the bottom, and usually when the market breaks it either to the upside, then the market will provide an opportunity to buy after a retest. So all of this I'll be explaining to you guys later in future in these channels, how you can take advantage of these market conditions that we have. Okay, let's move forward, guys. So let's talk about impulsive and retracement. So basically, guys, every trend in the market is made up of two primary moves. Okay, we have the impulsive move and the retracement. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to explain right now. So every trend in the market have two primary moves. Let's say this is an example of an uptrend, right? Because while the market is making a series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So guys, this would now be an impulse move, the move that take out the high. Okay, so this is the high that was created. This is the high that was created. So the move that take out this high is usually the impulsive move. Okay. So what this means is that buyers are in total control of the market at this particular time. Thereby, they are now making an impulsive move. They are making an impulsive move, okay, followed by a retracement. Impulsive move followed by retracement. So it is ideal for us as a trader to look for opportunity to buy uptrend. Okay, so drop the market at this particular time. So they made an impulsive move, breaking this previous high that was created. So once they break the high, they'll start taking their profits. So whenever the buyers are taking their profits, sellers will now see opportunity to sell the market. Okay, once they sell the market to a particular level, new buyers will step in, and that is how the trend will continue until the trend direction will change from up to down. So very soon I'll show you guys how to spot change in trend, okay? Because the market will not go in an uptrend forever, and also the market will not go in the downtrend forever. So after a while, the market will change from up to downtrend. So how are you going to spot this opportunity? Let's say you are in the market and you are buying based on the trend is up, right? So you are not going to continue to buy and buy and buy. There will be a time where the market will change direction from uptrend to downtrend. So how are you going to find that? So right in this video, I'm going to show you, okay? So I'm still talking about impulsive and retracement move. So we are done with the buy side, okay? We are done with the buy side. So right now, let's talk about the sell, okay? So let's say, for instance, the market is trading in a downward fashion like this, making a series of lower lows and lower highs. So what are you going to do? You're going to look for opportunity to sell, right? You're going to look for opportunity to sell. So what this means is that the sellers are in total control of the market. Okay, so all you need to do as a trader is to look for opportunity to sell in this kind of market condition. So whenever the market make an impulsive move to the downside, the sellers will start taking their profit. Okay, and some buyers will come to push the market up a bit until new sellers will step in again and make another impulsive move to the downside. So this is just the basic psychology behind the impulsive and retracement move in an uptrend and also in the downtrend. Whenever the seller push the market to the downside to break this low here, okay, let me mark it up for you guys to see. Break this low that was created previously. They made an impulsive move that eventually break through this low. then they will take their profit, okay? They will take their profit, and then some buyers will come and they'll try to buy the market up to this level until new sellers will come in again and push the market to the downside. This is how the cycle continues, okay? So our aim or our goal as a trader is to look for opportunity where we can sell, okay, at the retracement, during the retracement, okay, we look for opportunity to sell. So if you subscribe to this channel, I'm going to be revealing a whole lot of strategies for you on how you can buy and sell and all of this stuff, okay? So that's just it, guys. So how do you know that the trend has changed? How do you know that the trend has changed? Let's talk about change in trend. So basically, like I said, we have two types of trends in the market. We have the uptrend and we have the downtrend. So basically, an uptrend is when the market is making a series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. And this is a clear characteristic of an uptrend, okay? The market will be breaking structures to the upside like this, okay? Breaking structures to the upside. So this is a clear characteristic of an uptrend. So whenever you open your chart and you see this kind of scenario, just know that the market is trading to the upside because it is breaking structures, okay? Whenever the market trade above this high and close, that means it has broken the structure to the upside. And this is a clear upward market move, okay? Same thing apply to the downtrend, okay? Whenever the market is trading to the downside and it is breaking structures to the downside, this is a clear characteristic of a downtrend. So all we need to be doing here is to be looking forward, sell opportunities, okay? This is break of market structures, okay? So this is just the basic of it. And for the range, it's when the market is moving from one point to another like this. So all you need to do as a trader is to look forward, a sell opportunity at the top and a buy opportunity from the bottom until the range will be broken. Then other type of traders will step in to either sell in or buy from here, okay? So guys, like I said, in future, I'll be explaining to you guys a whole lot of concept. So let me show you guys a clear example of an uptrend and a downtrend on a raw chart, okay? So this is the chart of GBP JPY, okay? So as you can see clearly from here, let me mark it up. As you can see clearly from here, the market was trading up, right? Why do you think the market was trading up? Based on what I have explained, market was trading in an upward fashion, making a series of what higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? On and on and on like that. So you can see clearly that the market was trading to the upside during this period, right? So let me show you an example of a downtrend, okay? Let me scroll back in future and see if we can see an example of a downtrend. So, all right, so guys, basically, downtrend is the opposite of an uptrend, okay? So when the market is trading to the down, it's making a series of lower lows and lower highs, right? It's not going to be as perfect like the way I drew it, but just have a clear picture of what I'm trying to say. Okay, whenever the market is making a series of lower lows and lower highs, then we can see that the market is clear in a downtrend. And all we're going to be looking for this particular period is to sell. We'll be looking to sell here, okay? Because you can see that the sells were more than the buys. Same thing applied to this place, okay? When the market was trading to the upside like this, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, it is clear in an uptrend, and all we were supposed to do is to look forward, buy opportunity, because that is the direction the market is trading to the most, okay? So this is just a basic understanding of market structure. So how do you know that the market has changed direction? How do you know that the market has changed direction? This is what we're going to talk about now. Okay. For you to know that the market has changed direction, let's say, for instance, the market is trading up like this, making a series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher low, higher highs and higher low. This is for an uptrend, right? Higher highs Then this will be the last higher low. Let me mark it up, okay? Based on my explanation previously, this is higher low, right? This is higher highs. Now, this will be our last higher low, right? So if the market break below this higher low, this last higher low, and closes outside, so what you're going to see now is a little bit of pullback, okay? So this breaking of this last higher low is a sign that the market trend has changed or is about to change from uptrend to downtrend. So you are going to see something like this, a little bit of pullback, then continuation to the down, making what? Start making a series of lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. And this is a clear characteristic of a downtrend, right? So that's just it, guys. So how do you know that trend has changed from up to down? This is just what I have explained now. So let's talk about when the market is trending to the downside. So when do you know that the trend has changed from downtrend to uptrend? Let me give you a brief illustration, and then I'll show you a live example on a chart, okay? So this is an example of when the market has changed from downtrend to an uptrend. It's just basically the opposite of uptrend, okay? Let's say, for instance, the market is making a series of lower lows, lower highs. This is a clear characteristic of what? Downtrend. Lower lows, lower highs. Lower lows, lower highs. Lower lows. Now, pay attention to this lower high, okay? Let me mark it up. This is the last lower high that was created. So let's say all of a sudden, market move, instead of going down lower, it failed to go down lower, then it moved and violate this last lower high, and it eventually closed above. So guys, this is a first indication that the market trend is about to change from down to up. So all you are going to do, if you're in a sell position, you should be closing your trade already, because what will happen next most likely is that the market will pull back a bit and then continue up, forming a new trend. Okay, so this is just the basic understanding of how the market move and how you can actually spot reversals in an uptrend and also spot reversals in a downtrend. Okay, so let me quickly show you an example in the chart. Okay, let me show you an example in the chart. Let me clear all these things now so you can see clearly. Let me clear all the drawings now. From the explanation I have given just now, okay, let me zoom out so that you can see clearly. Now, this market has been trending to the upside, right? It has been trending to the upside all the way up, okay? Higher highs, higher low, and all that stuff. Just grab the concept of what I'm trying to show you. Now, looking at this market now, this is the last higher low, okay? The market was trending to the upside all the way from here, right? And this is the last higher low that was created. This is the last visible higher low that was created. Now, let me mark it up. Now, the market breaks down and violate this last higher low that was created, and the candle closed. Now we have a little bit of pullback, and now the market is trading to the downside. So this market now is more likely to continue trading down, okay, forming a new trend, which is what? Downtrend. So that is just my expectation for this market. So all I'm preparing now is that I'm looking for opportunity to sell. I'm no more looking for opportunity to buy, because I have been buying this market all along. I have been buying it. So right now the market trend has clearly indicate and show me that it want to change direction. So I'll be looking for buy opportunity, sell opportunity now. Okay. So that's just it. And the opposite is, let me show you an example for a buy market. That is for an uptrend. Let me zoom out so you can see. Zoom in, I mean. Now, you can see clearly that this market has been trending down, okay, for a while, making a series of lower lows and lower highs. This is a clear characteristic of a downtrend, right? Until something happened here, guys. Something happened here. This is the last lower high that was created in the market. This is the last lower high. You mark it and you extend it. So you are going to wait patiently for the market to break and close outside of the last lower high that was created, just like the way I marked it down. And eventually the market did that. The market breaks, violate the last lower high, and it closes outside with a little pullback. Then the trend shifts, right? The trend shifts to uptrend, and that is how the market traded all the way up. So if you were in a sell position during this time, as soon as you spot this reversal signal that I have just explained to you guys, you should be closing your trade and taking your profits, right? And then looking to trade in the direction of the new trend, which is up. So I believe, guys, this explanation was simple, and I hope you learned something from this video. So kindly like and subscribe to this channel, because I have a whole lot of content packed in for you guys to deliver. And I will leave the link to my Telegram community in the description below. So click the link to join my community, where I will be sharing free knowledge, free signal, free updates. Okay. So guys, see you in the next video, and thank you for watching, guys.